so today we are going to be making a strawberry slushy. So you're only going to really need strawberries and a little bit of water if your strawberries are really frozen for the ingredients. And then you're also going to need a blender. I'm using a NutriBullet, and the blender cup and the blender top, and a bowl to put your slushy in. You can also just eat it right out of the cup if you like, but I'm just going to be putting it in a bowl. Now, if you don't have frozen strawberries, you can just get this unfrozen strawberries and add ice, which also works. This is just 5 ounces of strawberries, so let's get to it. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is put our strawberries in there. Now, I find the best technique is just to do a little bit at a time, because I feel like if you do all of it at a time, then there's a bunch of chunks of strawberries, and you end up putting too much water in there. So I'm just gonna put about, maybe I'll add one more, like 4 or 5. And these are cut in half, unless the strawberries are small. And I'm just gonna put my blender top on and blend it. Okay, so I am back from blending, and I just left the blender over there, and you can see it kind of looks like strawberry dust, but it's not dust, because once you kind of like get it in a clump, then this is definitely the best way to go. Now, if you like, you can add some water. I did not add water for the first time. I suggest just starting without water, just so that you can see, okay, it's not blending good, I'll add water, as opposed to just adding water unnecessarily, because then your sushi is going to be a little juicy. Yeah, so I'm going to blend this, and then just come back and blend this. The rest of the strawberries. Okay, so I'm back, and you might be thinking, that doesn't look like a lot, but it is. It is definitely a lot. Once you bring it all together, it's a lot. So this is, personally, I like it this way better, as opposed to just adding water and blending it all at the same time, because this gets the best slushy effect. Okay, so now we are done blending, and you also need a spoon. One tip is, I know that sometimes, like, what will happen to me is, that was just a big clump that was spilled there. What'll happen is sometimes, like, you can't get to the strawberry just because it's like blended halfway-ish and it's just round, just kind of spinning around. Don't worry about it. You can kind of just cut it when you eat it. That's what I do. Or you can just keep on trying to blend it, which will eventually work. So get all this out. And now, I'm not even done with the lid, but now you can kind of see, look how much that is. That's a lot. Yeah. And then you can use a spoon for this, personally. I kind of prefer using my fingers, but I'll just use a spoon. Yeah, that's all there is to making a nice strawberry slushy. It is really hot here, so this is definitely going to be a really good treat. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and try this at home, and just send me an email, let me know how it goes, and let's try it. Nice and cool. See you next time.